Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how we are going to incorporate the Google News, AI tools and then blogger.com, a simple blogging platform into making money. Yeah, I'm sure most of you have been reading and hearing about how to make money with this Google News and you must have been trying it and it could have been any use on bugs or it might not have been. So in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to do this easily and have a future of earning money here too. All right, so we are going to dive deep into this video tutorial right away. All right, so the first thing we are going to do now is to go to our Google News. Okay, go to Google News and it is Google news.google.com. So when you go to Google News, you will see here that there are different niches. We have the world news. If you want to just check the world news, you can click on the world news and you see world news around the world, news within Nigeria, and news within your local area where you are currently. Okay, and then you can see business news, you can see technology news, you can see entertainment news, sport, health, science, and so on. All right, so that is the niches you can actually write news on or read news on here, and we are of course going to use the content of this news to start our own blogging too. And before you can start this, you have to think of the niche you have a keen interest on. All right, you have to understand the niche you want to write a blog on, because if you choose any niche that you don't have interest on, the long run you'll be tired. Okay, so just find something that gets your interest and key into it and start making money immediately. All right, so guys, let's go into this tutorial now. All right, so we are on news.google.com and we have different niches here. Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to go into health niche. So we say we click on the health niche. All right, so let's go. Okay, so now under health niche we have other sub niche. We have medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness. Okay, you can write anything of this sub niche on this health niche. So the general niche is the health, and then the sub topic, let's say subtopic there are the medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and fitness. You can write anything on this. You can blog on anything under this health niche. Okay, so now that we've gotten this, now we are going to check for any news article that interests us. Okay, all right, let's check this. 23,000 test positive to hepatitis in Nasarawa state. Now let's click on that and see the news in details. So here is the news. Here is the news, the complete news. So what we're going to do here now is that we are going to copy all the content from here. We'll copy all the content from here. Uh, we're going to leave out the image. Now copy it to this place. Copy, Control C, then go to Spinboard and paste it there. Paste your text. Okay, paste your text. This is the text to copy it from there. All right. Spinboard allows 10,000 words, 10,000 character rather, 10,000 characters will be here. And right now we have 33,028, so we can still add more to it, but this is what we have now. So now click on basic spin and it's the AI, the robot will spin the text for you to another version of what we have here. So it shouldn't be a copy and paste content. Okay, So this is it. It has spawned it for you now. You can copy this to be sure that this is not plagiarized content. You can copy this and come over to grammarly.com and check for the plagiarism. Alright, once you paste it, alright, you can just click and scan for plagiarism. Now it's scanning now, and let's see if this content is original or it's still a copy of the old one. Now let's check it. It's done now. We didn't find any plagiarism issue. However, we found 32 writing issues. Okay, but if you have, of course, you must have the time and work on the spelling issues. This spelling might be local words that we may not be able to correct, and punctuation, grammars, and other ones. You can check on that and work on it. But for the sake of this tutorial, we just have to copy this, and then we can go to ChatGPT, right, and tell ChatGPT to rephrase the content for us. Rephrase. It won't change the original meaning of this word, but we are going to tell ChatGPT to rephrase the content below. Right. Then put the colon, enter, and paste. Then hit enter. Now ChatGPT will rephrase it for okay. Now it's working on it now. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Let's see what we have here. In natural state, the prescription, beautiful. Now we can copy this for our use. Now we have to just now we have our original check. We can go back to plagiarism checker and check if the content is original again. Scan for plagiarism, and so here plagiarism checker found um, plagiarism in this context. So you can just go back to ChatGPT again and give it a command to rewrite this content, to write the content. You can just give it a command to write the content without plagiarism. Now let's copy this content again and go back to plagiarism checker on Grammarly and see how the content looks like this time. Okay, it's scanning. Right now we didn't find any plagiarism, but we found 10 issues. So it's getting better and better now. Now this content looks more original. Now we can just copy this content and now go to blogger.com and create a free blog site here. Okay, so now you come down here and create a free blog site here. Create your blog. Now you have to choose an account that you will use. Okay, as for me, I'm going to use another account here. Not this. I'll use okay. Okay. I'll use this. Now you give your blog a name. Choose a name for it. Know your health. That's okay. Know your health. And this is the title that would be displayed at the top of your blog. Know your health. That's okay. Now let's go. This web address is how people will find your blog. So you're now going to choose a URL for it. Literate hub. Good one. We can just use literate hub. Let's go. Then how do you want your confirm your displayed name? I will say no your head. How do you want your name to display as? Okay, literate hub. It's okay. Now your blog is processing now. It doesn't take much time to have your blog running here. Now your blog is done. So what do you have to do? Now create your first page. Create your first post, rather your first post. Now your new post. Okay, now you post the content here. That's it. And now you can now come back to where you got the Google News from, and then uh, copy this, or you can copy this content, then go to Google and paste it positive or hypertext, and then click on image. Once you click on image, you will see images that you can use free here. Okay, now you can use this, copy image. You can save, but I'm using Opera browser, so I can actually copy. All right, so all right, so we can have it this way: image, upload from computer, choose a file. This is the file. Now we are selecting this image to upload there in our content. Beautiful. So we have this now. Good. All right. So we don't have a title for this. Now we can tell ChatGPT create a meta title for the article above. Now to create a simple meta title that we can use. Good one. This is beautiful. Now go back to your blog, paste this as your title. Then nothing much to do here, and then click on what? Publish. Remember, now we publish a post already. Okay, but your blog is running already. However, you can come to theme and choose any suitable theme you want to use for your blog. Okay, you can choose anyone you want to use for your blog. I think this one looks well. Okay, or you can use this or anyone or this or anyone. Let's use this. This one looks simple. Now apply. Our new theme is there. Okay, beautiful. So this is our site. It's running now, and that's all you have to do. And then the next step to earning is go to your earning page. You see, you can earn here. Go to your earning page and create AdSense account. But then before you create your AdSense account, I will advise you to do what? I will advise you to um have content or article of about 200 on this your blog, so that Google will be able to go through your site and see there are content there, and be able to accept your Google AdSense request. So they'll be able to approve your Google AdSense request, and that's the best way to do it. All right, so that's just how it is. And with the little step we've discussed in this video tutorial, I'm sure that you'll be able to make money from content writing. Okay, if you are the one that's passionate about writing, you have your free time, or you even dedicate your time into writing, and you have not been earning something significant, try this. I assure you that you will earning something to compensate your writing. Okay, and that is just as simple as it is. Now create your Google AdSense account and Google will be posting ads on your blogs and you'll be earning from those ads. Google will be sending traffic to your account, to your blog, and you'll be earning from the ads that Google is posting on your blog blog page. So that's just how it is. With the steps I've provided here, if you want to create content, I'm sure you'll be able to create up to 10 content per day. Over 10 content per day. We've just created one content now. It doesn't even take us up to 5 minutes. So if you want to create content, you can create up to 10 content per day. And within, let's say within 1 week, you already completed your 20 articles on this your blogspot, and then you apply for Google AdSense. Then Google approve your request, and you start making money from there. And if you have any question with the little one we've done on this video tutorial, kindly drop your questions in the comment section and I will attend to it immediately. All right, thank you for staying to the end of the video. Catch you later.